What makes PyQt GUIs so efficient in Python? Imagine creating a desktop application that looks sleek, runs smoothly, and responds instantly to user actions. That's what makes PyQt stand out in the world of Python application development. When you build graphical user interfaces with PyQt, you're tapping into a framework that combines the power of the Qt toolkit with Python's simplicity. This combination results in applications that are both fast and easy to develop. PyQt is built on top of Qt, a mature framework that has been refined over many years. Qt offers a wide range of features beyond just buttons and windows. It includes support for networking, databases, images, multimedia, and threading. This means when you use PyQt, you're not just working with basic widgets. You're accessing a full ecosystem that handles many complex tasks behind the scenes. This saves you time and effort because you don't need to write custom code for common functions. Instead, you use pre-made, optimized components. One of PyQt's key strengths is its signals and slots system. Think of signals as messages that say, something happened. When a user clicks a button, a signal is emitted. Slots are functions that respond to these signals. This setup makes your code cleaner and more organized. It also allows different parts of your application to communicate without tightly coupling them together. As a result, your code becomes easier to maintain and extend. PyQt also uses a model view architecture, similar to the model view controller pattern. This means data and its display are separated. For example, if you want to show a list of items from a database, you create a model that holds the data. The view then displays it. PyQt manages the updates and rendering automatically, so you don't have to manually update each element. This makes handling large or changing data much simpler. Another reason PyQt is so efficient is its cross-platform nature. The widgets you create look and behave like native components on Windows, Linux, and macOS. They follow each platform's design rules, so your application feels right at home everywhere. You don't need to write different code for each operating system. Development speed is also a big advantage. PyQt includes a visual tool called Qt Designer. You can drag and drop widgets to design your interface visually. This speeds up the process and helps you see how your app will look. Even if you prefer coding by hand, PyQt's clear PI and thorough documentation make it straightforward to build interfaces quickly. PyQt offers a large library of widgets, from simple buttons to complex tables and graphics views. These are optimized for performance and highly customizable. Layout managers automatically handle widget sizes and positions, so your interface adapts well to different screen sizes. Because PyQt is built on Qt, which is written in C++, the core operations run very fast. Your Python code handles the logic, but the heavy lifting of rendering and event handling is done in fast, compiled C++ code. This hybrid approach gives you the speed of C++ with the ease of Python. For desktop application development, PyQt handles all the complex parts like managing windows, menus, dialogues, and system integration. It supports file operations, printing, clipboard access, and more. This means you can focus on your app's features instead of worrying about the underlying system details. While PyQt has a steeper learning curve than simpler frameworks, the effort pays off when building serious applications. Its architecture encourages good coding practices, making your code easier to maintain as your project grows. In summary, PyQt's efficiency comes from its complete, well-designed framework that automates many tasks, its ability to produce native-looking interfaces across platforms, and its speed thanks to the underlying C++ code. Combining these factors, PyQt helps you develop professional, high-performance desktop applications with less hassle and more confidence.